Hello and welcome to you all. So in this video we are going to see one of the Odoo manufacturing module functionality from upcoming version of Odoo19. So in Odoo version 19, Odoo has introduced the control of operational cost calculation in manufacturing module. So now from Odoo version 19 we can able to control our operational cost calculation, whether it is based on our real time durations or on estimated time durations. So let's see how it is working in Odoo version 19. So currently I am on my Odoo version 19 database, and let me jump to bill of material and open any bill of material. So we can see in operations, let me add one operation. So I'm adding one operation, finishing, and I'm selecting one work center, assembly 1 as my work center, and from here we can able to see one new field, cost computations, which is a radio button, which is a selection of two. First is based on actual resource and second is based on estimated resource. So if I'm selecting based on actual resource in my working center, whenever I'm performing the manufacturing order operations, the operational cost, which is calculated based on my actual timing, actual working timing, and whether if I'm selecting on based on estimated resource, my operational cost will be calculated based on my estimated durations. So for this operation I have set my default estimated duration 60 minutes, and for working set and assembly 1, let me open it. So we set 100 per work center and 100 per employee. So this is our estimated time durations for these assembly 1 work center as well as our operation 1. So let's select first the actual resource, and we can able to see how our cost for the operational cost is calculating. So I'm creating one manufacturing order. Let me select my bill of material. So we can able to see our operation is there, our work order is created. Now just confirming this work, the manufacturing order, and I'm starting it. So to do the process I need to go to the shop floor and on assembly 1 let me start my work order. So currently we are on actual time durations, so let's wait for minimum of 10 seconds so we can see the cost computations. So let's stop on 30 and close the production. So if we can go back our manufacturing order, we can able to see we perform our work order for this operation finishing on real duration 14 seconds, our actual duration which is 16, which is estimated duration, but we finished on 14 seconds. So if I'm going on a overview, so we can see our operational cost for assembly 1, it is 0.38. so it is the duration is 0.38, and based on our 100 as our unit cost, which is a $0.38, which is our operational cost for this assembly 1, and for our machine admin, which is our employee cost, which is the same 0.38. so it is durations will be calculated based on unit cost of 100, it is $0.38. So total unit cost for these operations, which is for the product wood panel, it would be 14.77. now this is our actual durations. Now let's jump to product bill of material and change our operation and our cost computations from actual to estimated. So for estimated, the operation of finishing we set 16 minutes, and for assembly work center we set 100 and 100. So these all are our estimated durations which we are setting on operations. Now let's repeat this process again. Let's jump to manufacturing order, create a new manufacturing order for wood panel. I'm saving the record. So on a work order we can see now expected duration is 16. I'll just confirm, we plan, and we start the manufacturing. So now to do the manufacturing process, we just jump to soft floor and on assembly we are repeating the same process. We wait until 10 seconds, and now we just stop the process and close the productions. So we finish the production, the working order, and let's jump to the manufacturing order. So we can see our real duration, which is 11 seconds. Our expected duration will be 16, so it is 16 minutes, but my real duration is 11 seconds. Now if we can see on overview, then our operational cost for assembly 1, system calculated full work hour, and based on the 100 of unit cost, our operational cost for assembly 1 is $100. And for estimated employee cost, so which is estimated employee cost, which is 1 hour, and based on unit cost of 100, it is $100. So total wood panel cost, it would be $240. So previously, which are the operations are calculated based on the real actual duration, whether now the operational cost, which is calculated based on estimated hours, and based on that we have a unit cost 240. So if we can jump to manufacturing order, and if we can compare both of manufacturing order, so for the current one, which is our estimated cost, the real cost $240, and for previous one, which is our real duration cost, so for that our operational cost is $14.77. So with this functionality, now we can able to control our operational cost calculation based on either on a real time or on an estimated time. So I hope guys you like this video, and if you like this video and if you like this functionality, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.